I don't know anyone that will turn down fresh hot bread. That's why we're starting with cornbread. Start by preheating the oven to 400 degrees and put your cast iron skillet like this in the oven to heat it up. Make sure you give it at least 30 minutes in there. At the same time, cook the pork until it's crispy. You want little crunchy balls of pork fat at the end. Save the pork fat from this step. You'll need it later. Next, sift all the dry ingredients into a bowl. Drop your pork cracklings in so that they get covered with flour as well. Now combine the milk, eggs, and melted butter in a medium bowl. Add the wet stuff to the dry stuff in batches. Stir it until everything is good and combined. Now it's time for the pork fat. Oil up the skillet with the fat you saved. And that's ready for the batter. You should see some sizzling going on because the skillet is so hot. Spread it out until it's even and pop that into the oven for about 25 to 30 minutes. If you're feeling decadent, you can pour extra butter on top, right as the bread is coming out of the oven. Doesn't that look like the start of a great meal? Now let's talk about the wines. We have two vermouth here. These are flavored wines with grape-based spirits added. They're herbaceous and powerful, great wines to wake up your palate to a meal.